One question I get a lot is, what is my case worth? What is the settlement value of my case? If you're very early on in the process, that is a very nebulous crystal ball issue. If we don't know what all of your medical bills are, if we don't know what all of your treatment is, then it's going to be impossible for us to give you any kind of even realistic framework of value about your case. The way I approach cases is I want to see what all your medical treatment is. I need to consider who the insurance carrier is. I need to consider what jurisdiction, what county your case is going to be filed in. And then when your case goes into litigation, as most cases do go into litigation, I need to be able to get a sense of what are your discovery responses? What does the other side say? How do you do during your deposition? And then when we go to mediation, at that point, looking at the totality, what do I think about your case? And then what does the mediator think about your case? All of that together to come up with a bracket. And in the mediation series, I will talk about this bracket or this frame of what I think a jury would potentially do on a case like yours, with a high end and a low end of value, somewhere in which hopefully your mediation settlement offers will land. That is how we value a case. It's impossible for me a lot of times to say your case will be worth X and we won't take any less than X, at least at some kind of an early phase. When we get to the mediation table, I'll have a sense of that bracket, and the I won't take less than this tends to be the bottom of the bracket. When you start moving into that bracket, it's more in line with reality and some numbers that we really start to need to consider as far as accepting to get your case resolved. So settlement value, it's more of an art than a hard science that we can do at the very beginning of the case. And it's based on many factors that are going to unfold and develop through the whole process that will lead us up to the time of really considering settlement.